Club Level at the Polynesian is back.
We got to check out the first week of Club Level at the Polynesian after the COVID interruption. Of course, we're going to talk about all the great food first, and at the end of the video, we'll have a little bit of a room tour and a recap.
Heading to the King Kamehameha Club breakfast. Oh, hello again. Aloha. Let's see, we have oatmeal station, sausages, and a veggie potato casserole, cheese omelet, yogurt parfait, fancy salami things, Swiss cheese, boiled egg, some croissants, chocolate pineapple muffin, cheese and guava Danish, fresh fruit, toaster, beverages, yogurts, all the coffee pre-made, hot water with tea. I'm gonna make myself an espresso from the Nespresso machine, along with cereal options, whole milk, a carb container, and juices. Okay, it's the middle of the day, so less options, but solid options. M&M's, Skittles, all the juice, all the fruit. The wine will be up shortly. Cookies just came out of the oven. Healthy snacks. California mist. Sunburst. Here recovered raisins. And of course, Lunchables. And coffee. There we go. We have a couple different options for this light roast, decaf, and more of like a dark roast. Meats, cheeses, restock the bar, chicken lunch. Look at this, peppercorn.
Wow.
Got some ranch and blue cheese and dippers. Chicken Wellington, fried duckling, some sliders.
Ooh, thanks, sliders.
All the regular beverage offerings. Is this me? Probably. Chocolate raisin cookies. Some sugar cookies. Ice cream bar. Wine.
Well, of all the food, really enjoyed the macadamia, white chocolate, and pineapple muffin. We loved the cheese and guava Danish. Of course, the espresso was the big thing for me. The duck leg was fantastic. They had Spam on one of the mornings for breakfast. My kids didn't love it, but I did. The rooms were great. I love that, we were on the first floor and we had a patio that went right out to one of the quieter pools. That was really nice. We slept well. It doesn't have the thin walls like some of the other resorts. There was a loud person in the hallway in the morning, but it was 7 a.m., so, everyone's entitled to be up at that hour, so can't complain about that. Love the Keurig machine as opposed to the other machines in the other rooms. But I must say that the thing I really want to get across is how great the cast members were. Our 14-year-old daughter loves Dr. Pepper and couldn't find it anywhere on the property. So some cast members surprised us with a case of mini Dr. Peppers, and that really made it feel special. They went out of their way. They were super friendly. So shout out to cast members Chad and Ashton and Jen for all their great service. We loved it. We look forward to coming back. And this is our first time doing club level at the Polynesian, and it was fantastic. So rave reviews. We encourage you to do it as well. Thanks for watching.